Everyone, welcome to the second video of Crowdclick that will be going over our most recent updates. If you haven't watched our first video, you can check it out on our new YouTube channel called Crowdclick, where you can actually see a little bit more explanation of what Crowdclick's about. But this video is intended with our supporters from and users from Crowdholding to give us additional feedback, but we made some specific changes now from our first task going over the UI mockup. So what you're seeing here is our current UI mockup for the landing page, and we made some additional changes where we added actually a launch on Telegram. As you know, where this product will be both a Telegram bot and a progressive web app. So basically, you would click this, it would go to the Telegram bot and be the same functionality. Some things we added, we added a call to action for the publisher. So I'll be interested what you think, but traffic, feedback, and grow for the publisher to paste. And obviously the same as we had for the user, click, answer, and earn. They click to a website, answer a multiple choice question, and then earn F. We also we changed the become a user to up top and the publisher below to keep the same order here. So let's go into details of what's new now. So you might remember this from the last video. We had this mock-up done where you place your public key, and then we showcase how it works on the user side. But when you get started, you are connected with your public key in your account here, and you're able to scroll from this task feed to your own campaigns if you have decided as a user to publish your URL. But for right here, we'll just do an example of going to the first task where we place the reward. This will be the product description here. So it goes to the website, and we have the countdown, what we're setting at 15 seconds. So when that is counting, you can start viewing. It almost feels like you're on the website, which you are, but this is currently would be a wireframe that's going along this side. So the question would be here of what you viewed as an example. And so you would, if you just hit F, we say no, please select an answer above. So you'd click on an answer, click earn F right away. The transaction goes into your account and also into your account balance. And then we even have a call to action. We'll put an image here, but a call to action to even view the site directly. So it'll be very interesting to see how many, once they find an interesting site, what percentage of users will actually go to visit these websites, which will be good for promotional material to recruit more publishers to the application. But basically then, if you wanted to continue earning and solving multiple choice questions, you would go to new task. Now, one thing we did actually forget to add is we will be showcasing it once the task is done. So you click here and earn. We'll be showcasing the results. So actually that image is the results. I forgot about that. So now, so that's how this works. So if we want to, you can then toggle back to your campaign page. So this is the campaign page. You might recall, so when you're a publisher and you sign up, that is the process of depositing F, but it is the same process whether you edit your campaign or start a new campaign. So for example, editing a campaign, it goes back to the sign up process, but it's really not a sign up, but you go through this process to add the campaign description, project description, the title, reward per click. And what we'll do is we'll even showcase under here how much per day, the maximum you want to spend to the reward per click, how many maximum amount of users would go and participate as traffic, as well as giving you feedback to your URL and what you're displaying. And so basically you go next, you can edit, anytime you can edit your multiple choice question, you deposit the money either through MetaMask or directly by connecting your smart contract or sending it to this address of the escrow smart contract, and then finish. And so every time you actually will edit a campaign and create like a new, because for example, you had one multiple choice question for 1 week, but you decided, you know, would like still getting more traffic to our website, but I also would like to have a new multiple choice question to collect different feedback. So what that will do is reopen that campaign to users and previous users to solve for you. So I added this results button. Now we'll have to polish this up, but this basically toggle will showcase the survey results. We'll probably need to add percentages here. So you'll see from the answers what's the most popular choices for your feedback, and also display the amount of views. Also, we'll look into what other type of results we could place in here for the future. And the same thing, when you want to, you can have actually multiple campaigns, so you can have different URLs or same URL but different multiple choice questions happening at once. So you could just basically go through the same process. You create a new campaign, go through the steps, finish, you would have nothing, that displayed. So I believe I have covered everything for you guys to see. Go back to the main page, but that is the current mockups. In our roadmap, our goal is to accomplish our first phase. We'll make sure to also very soon showcase you our roadmap in an article, so you guys can also see what it is and even give feedback to our logic and what we would like to achieve. We hope to actually get the landing page up and running for Crowdclick, starting with crowdclick.me as the URL, come next week. So that's our current goal. And start getting you guys to make sure to sign up to our newsletter so we can notify you when the product gets launched. All right, thanks guys. Appreciate watching the video, and I look forward to showcasing you more developments in the future. Cheers.